Hey, hey. Welcome everybody to Miss Glow's Kitchen, where there's sugar, spice, and everything nice, where we slice, dice, and entice, using everything we can, from peppers to allspice. What's up, my people? Y'all know what time it is? See y'all in the kitchen. Mini corn dogs are on the menu today. Take a look at the ingredients here. In no certain order, this is what we need. We need 1 1/4 cups of cornmeal. We need 1 cup of flour, 1 1/4 cups of milk. We need 1/4 teaspoon each of salt and pepper, 1/4 cup of sugar, 1 egg, hot dogs, skewers. We will need oil for frying. Y'all know what I always say. Ain't nothing to it but to do it. So let's get to it. All right, first things first. Get everything into the bowl. So I'm gonna get this into the bowl without wasting it off on the side somewhere. So let's do that. Push my flour down here. I'm trying not to make a mess, y'all, so shoot. Alright, that's good. That's good. Alright. Salt and pepper. After salt and pepper, milk goes in. Now, so you can use Jiffy Mix for this, but if you ever made cornbread, then you know you need the sugar to balance out the flavor so this doesn't taste so bitter to you. This needs to be like super thick. So, and then 1 cup of milk. So we're gonna put egg in here. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna put a little bit more milk. All right, I'm gonna put a little more milk in there. Let's see. It's mixed up, but this needs to be super thick, so don't. See how thick that is? And don't make it any thinner, so it's 1 1/4 cups. Alright. Let's see if we can get that out of there. I'm making a whole mess right here. All right, these are mini corn dogs. I'm doing these for the kids. So what you want to do is you want to cut these hot dogs in half. And you want to stick the skewers in, but not so much that they're sticking out of the other end, so that you'll bite into that point, or a kid will bite into that point. You don't want that to happen. The pointy side of the skewer. So you want to get these all on skewers, and after you get these all on skewers, then we'll dip them. We'll be ready to go. These don't take that long either. Now this batter is really good. It's not too sweet. So even if you want to put ketchup and mustard on these after these are done, you can. This actually turns out to be a very good recipe. Very good, and especially now that the kids are out of school. Now, as you can see in the beginning when you looked at the picture, I actually, when these were done, I took the skewers out. So I didn't give the kids the skewers. I actually took the corn dogs off, and I let them dip the corn dogs into the ketchup, because they want to ketchup with theirs. So that's the way I did that. So it makes it easier for you as a parent. You don't have to try to watch your kid with a skewer. Those are very dangerous, or they can be. So be very careful with that. Alright, so here we go with this. Now what you want to do is you want to put that down. You want to turn that bowl a little bit. You want to make sure your entire hot dog is covered. Look at that top up there. You want to make sure the entire thing is covered. Alright, so get them right down into the oil. Now remember, hot dogs, they're already done really. You don't have to do that much to them. So they don't exactly have to be cooked per se. So this oil is hot enough that it's going to cook the encasing, but it's going to steam the hot dog on the inside. So it's going to get ready. Don't worry about that. Just make sure your oil is not too hot and you don't burn the cornmeal on the outside. But when these turn a golden brown, I'll guarantee you that hot dog is done on the inside. All right, so just keep watching. And if you're doing more than I'm doing, watch your batch in there, and then you can start getting your other batches ready by just turning them in the bowl like that. And then just keeping them off on the side, but you get the gist. You can figure that out. That's not hard at all. All right. And there we go. They're all in. I'm going to let you see this in a minute. This is a really easy recipe. So, while this pandemic is going on and we have the children at home, these mini corn dogs are great. They really are. So they're great for lunch, a snack. All right, so I'll move this over so you can see. Now I don't want them stuck on the bottom because I don't want to get a dark spot on the bottom of them. So as you see, I'm moving them a little bit. I don't want to leave them in one place because I don't want one space on there to get darker than the other spaces. So you'll let this go until this becomes golden brown. So what happens is you move them around like that, lift them up out of there, take a look at them, see what one of them looks like, and if it's not golden brown, you'll put it back in there until it is. So you can see me moving them now, so you can see they're a light color right now. They are frying, but they're still a light color. So when these turn a nice golden brown, take them out and drain them on paper towels like this. So I stood them up on a plate on the paper towels just so they can drain the extra oil off them, because this is not a greasy dish. So you'll love it. Kids will love it. You'll see. All right, so you'll see in a moment that I took them off the skewers when I served them. So check this out. That's it. Quick and easy dish. Thanks for watching. See y'all next time. As always, I appreciate you. Hit that like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.